Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Welcome to the class of General Knowledge. Today I am going to start with the chapter number 3. In this chapter, we learn about the different breeds of dogs. As we know, dogs are very loyal in nature. They always loyal to his boss and protect him. They comes in different breeds. Their attitude and appearance depend on the breed. Some examples of appearance like some are having long hairs, some are short-heighted, some are having hazel eyes. Now, come to the chapter. In this chapter, author given some hints regarding the breed of the dog. By the help of the hint, we have to identify the breed of the dog. So let's start with the question number 1. A medium-sized domesticated dog with short muscular legs and a pair of long dropping ears. They are long in the body and equipped with a short and smooth coat with rolling loose skin. The name of the breed is Basset Hound. The Basset Hound is a scent hound that was originally bred for the purpose of hunting hare. Their sense of smell and ability to ground scent is second only to the bloodhound. Basset hounds are one of the 6 recognized Basset type breeds in France. Now, the second question is, it has very muscular and stocky build, short shiny coat and a long powerful tail. They are very loyal and affectionate dogs and highly energetic and enthusiastic when it comes to exercise, means they love to exercise. The breed of the dog is Boxer. The Boxer is a medium to large short-haired breed of dog developed in Germany. The coat is smooth and tight-fitting. Color are found brindled or white, with or without white markings. The third question is, it is distinctive, large and powerful dog with a low attitude. They are double coated and their undercoat is thick and warm, coupled with short top coat. These dogs are considered to be heavy shedder as they not only shed twice a year but dropping hair regularly throughout the year, means throughout the year they are going to drop their hairs. The name of the breed is Akita. Akita is a medium breed of dog originating from the mountainous region of northern Japan. There are 2 separate varieties of Akita, a Japanese strain commonly called as Akita Inu. Inu is the word used by the Japanese for dogs, or Japanese Akita, and an American strain known as the Akita or American Akita. You can see the photograph of Akita also. Now the fourth question is, it is large dog originated in Germany. Its appearance is something of a lucky dip. Its coat color is not known until it shed its puppy coat, but it is generally a mixture of black and gold. They are famous for their bushy, thick tail, pointy ears and wolf-like appearance. The name of the breed is German Shepherd. German Shepherds are popular because of the loyalty, courage, confidence, the ability to learn command for many tasks, and the willingness to put their life on the line of defense of loved ones. Next question, question number 5. It is a very new breed of dog. They are generally medium-sized animals with a mid-length and curly coat. They tend to be very energetic dogs and require a good deal of exercise. The breed of dog is Golden Doodle. A Golden Doodle is a dog crossbreed bred from a golden retriever and a poodle. Golden Doodle have been successfully trained as therapy dogs, guide dogs, and other form of assistance dogs. Last question, sixth question. Bred originally as gun dogs, it is famous for its roles as assistance dog for visually impaired and autistic pupil. They are quite large and muscular with a short, dense, water repellent coat, a broad head, brown or hazel eyes, strong jaws, and an otter tail which is thick at the base and narrower at the tip. The name of the breed is Labrador. Labrador is a dog or a breed of dog who enjoy jogging if his health permit, boating, swimming, hiking and more if it's active outdoors, and with his pupil the Labrador is ready and willing to participate in any activity. Labrador comes in 3 colors: black, yellow and chocolate. Now this is about the chapter number 3. All the students kindly do the exercise of chapter number 3 in your book. Thank you everyone.